Alright, this is the GoPro Hero 5. Currently, it powers on and records and everything. It just does not display the touchscreen. So it's time to change that out. We don't know what the issue is as of right now, but we will find out. Remove the battery. So the first part we want to get off is this lens cover. So all you have to do is twist it and it comes right off. Next up, our front cover. You have guitar picks and a iSesamo opening tool. So behind this cover is adhesive and there's some little clips. So I'm just gonna slide the Sesamo tool under. And you don't have to apply no heat or nothing to get this adhesive warm. You just start in this corner and you work your way around. So try to get up under here. We have to remove 6 T2 head screws. Careful, there's the circuits on there. Let it free. Turn it. And I believe I see our problem already. Look at that cable. See that rip? For the cable, just gonna pop all 3 of them up. All I'm doing is getting my fingernail situated right under it and popping it up. We're just gonna get under this piece of tape. Get it up. Just pop it up. I'm gonna open our little battery door back up. We're gonna take our Sesamo tool. We're gonna work our way under this battery cover. Under there. There's just some adhesive holding it down. So we're gonna work our way back down. Up under this cover. Get it out of the way. And once you got it loose, you can see this little indent at the top. I'm gonna line that up with this. This right here. That way we can slide the tray out. Boom, got it out. We need some heat because we need to separate, but we need to apply heat so that we can get this screen out of this casing. Gold screen is out, but we also don't need this white part. You can come on out too. And boom. pressure on it dirty though, but it did work. Moment of truth. See what happens. Yes! Boy! Yeah, no cracks, no cracks, no cracks. Yeah! Man, I'm so happy this joke is not cracked. Thank you, Jesus. Bam. Working GoPro. Thank you, God. I appreciate y'all for watching. And I appreciate even more if y'all subscribe, like the video, share the video, you know, show love, show support. All of it is not taken for granted. I appreciate every bit of it. So thank y'all for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.